Hey guys, I found this new game and it's actually pretty fun. It's made by a few friends of mine, mainly Mate and Skibbity, and I've helped out a bit, and like you should try it if you actually like Beast Run Simulator. It's a really good fan game, and like I'd say it's worth it to try because like yeah. Uh, God. Oh my god, that's actually crazy, bro. Like, oh my god, that's actually so funny. Oh my god. Holy. Ugh. Why would he actually just make a code for precise speed? That's actually so broken. Mm. Mm. Mm.